Hey everybody, we're doing the area model on Google Slides. I usually use the worksheet to do these videos, but I'm doing a few of them on Google Slides so you can see how the digital version works of these questions. So this is the same as the worksheets and task cards, but this is the digital edition of it. And you're going to do the same thing, but we're using text boxes to fill these in. So we're going to go ahead and go through this whole question. It's 83 times 26. The first number is 83, and I'm going to put the 83 along the top in expanded form. Green and blue here, so the 8 is the green, goes here in these boxes, and then the 3 is the blue. That 8 is in the tens place, so it's really an 80, so I'm going to write 80. To do this, I'm going to click and wait for the box to appear, so it'll look like that. And then I'm just going to type, so I'll just hit the 8. Then I click on the next one over and hit the 0. So that first section is 80, and then this one is 3. Come over on the left to the orange and red, we put 26 in expanded form. So 26. Now I'm ready to start multiplying. One box at a time, and if I get stuck, I can use the color coding to help me. For example, this first box here is green and orange, so I can think, okay, that's 80 times 20, because that's the green times orange. So for 80 times 20, forget about the zeros and just do 8 times 2. 8 times 2 is 16, and I'm going to put that in first. And then I just put 2 zeros after. 1,600 or 1,600. I'm going to come over. It doesn't actually matter what order you do these boxes in, by the way. I'm going to come over and do this one, 20 times 3. So I'm going to do 2 times 3, and then just stick the 0 on the end. 2 times 3 is 6 with a 0 on the end. Now I'll come down to this box. It is green and red, and I'm doing 80 times 6. 8 times 6 with a 0. So 8 times 6 is 48. 6 times 8 is 48. And then I stick a 0 on the end. My last box over here, blue and red, 3 times 6 is 18. Now I'm just going to add them up. You can see that there are special boxes here to carry and, 4 digits, 2 digits, 3 digits, 2 digits. So I'm going to put them in order on here. But if you're using a piece of paper, you can just add these 4 numbers up. It doesn't actually matter the order you do it in. But I'm going to use this resource to check my digits. So I'm going to do the 4 digit, and then this is a 2 digit, so I'll put the 60 there. So I just want to make sure everything fits. 480. And I'm clicking one box at a time, and then I'm clicking the digit. And it takes a little bit of patience, but it's not too bad. Now I'm ready to add from right to left. This first column, 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 8 is 8. Next column, 6 plus 8 is 14, plus 1 is 15, and I'm going to carry. So put the 1 up here, and the 5 down here. And then we have 1 plus 6 plus 4, which is 11. So I'm going to carry again. It's great because those little boxes remind me to carry, which is good, a reminder to have. And then last but not least, 1 plus 1 is 2. So we got 2,158. So again, if you have the worksheets and you're doing it on the worksheet, that is totally fine. But here's how you can do it on the Google Slides version.